Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be seeing how to install Windows 11 on a virtual machine. So for that we will be using VirtualBox. It's an open source software you can download from the Google anywhere. I'll leave links for that in the description. When you all open VirtualBox, the virtual machine software, you'll be getting an interference like this. First, I'll make it smaller so it's easy for me. So for y'all to add a new PC, go to machine, click on new, then y'all will get a pop-up box like this. Name the operating system as you want. So in my case I'll be naming it Windows 11. So keep the type as Microsoft Windows. So for the version, keep it as Windows 10 64-bit. You won't have a problem in keeping it as Windows 7 also. So it will increase the compatibility of your Windows if you keep it at Windows 10 64-bit. So I'll be keeping at Windows 10 64-bit and I'll be giving next now. So for here you can choose the memory size, RAM. In my case I have 4GB memory installed in my computer, so I'll be giving 2GB. So for the hard disk of the virtual machine, keep it on create a virtual hard disk now. Hard disk type file, keep it as VHD, and for the storage and everything, here you will get something like this. Keep the storage size you want. In my case I will be keeping about 30GB. You can select any storage amount you need. The minimum requirement for Windows 11 is about 25GB, so for that, because of that, I'll be keeping 30GB. After that, click on OK. You will get something like this. You have all the details of your machine, what you made now. So for you to add the ISO image of Windows 11, you just have to go to settings of the machine, go to storage, then you will have an empty, that icon that's empty, click on that. After that, here you can see choose a disk file, so click on that. You'll get something like this and choose the disk file you want. I have the disk file saved in my computer, so I'll take it from there. So select the Windows 11 file and click on open. After that, click on OK. They'll save the settings and it will take some time. After that, you can see system memory is 2GB and everything. Audio is there. After that, you can go ahead and start the machine. There's a green color arrow to the right side. You can press that and your machine will start. That means your virtual machine will start there. As you can see, now it's starting. It's the boot up screen, you can see. So this is how it will look like in Windows 11 when you all start. You can see it's still running. So now, as you all can see, I have maximized the window. This will take some time depending on your computer's performance. So because I gave only 2GB RAM, it's hard to run Windows 11. So it will take some time. So after that, you can see the Windows setup. Click on your language, time, currency and everything, keyboard methods, and give next. After you give next, you have the install now button. Click on that. After that, again you'll get a notice saying setup is starting. This also will take time depending on our performance. And not only the RAM, your processor will also be needed for this, so it will take time. I will be fast forwarding the video a little bit because it will take a lot of time for the video if not. So as you can see now, I have the Windows setup thing. I'll just give on I don't have a product key. If you have product key, you can type it there. Since I don't have a product key, I won't type it. You have all the versions of Windows 11. All these versions are 64-bit. You have Windows 11 Pro for workstations also. For that you will need at least 8 GB RAM, so I'm not going to install that. I will be trying to install Windows 11 Pro in my case. So select Windows 11 Pro and give on next. If you want something else, Windows 11 Pro Education and everything, you can select those. As you can see, this is also same as the Windows 10 setup. Just I'll be accepting the Microsoft software license terms. So after that you have all the software terms and conditions. Click on next. So from here, because you're installing this on a virtual machine, don't click on upgrade. Click on custom install advanced. Select drive 0. That means you can see the 30 GB we selected before. Click on next. You can see now Windows will start to install on the computer. That means inside the virtual machine. You can see it's copying Windows files, getting files ready for installation. I will be fast forwarding the video here. For me it took about an hour to install Windows 11 completely. So if you all give better RAM and everything, because I gave only 2 GB RAM, Microsoft says Windows 11 won't run on 2 GB RAM, but I tried it. So after everything, when it's restarting, just press any key and it will start like a new machine when you on it. So for the first time it's booting up, so give on it's getting ready. So it might restart several times, about 2 to 3 times. After that they are saying get it just a moment. And so this is Windows 11. As you can see, you can select your country, regions and everything. So from here onwards you have all the setup process. I will not be doing the setup process. This was just for the video. I was installing Windows 11. So I will stop the video from now on. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you.